Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform spaces into stories. Today, we're diving into something truly special, creating an RH-inspired farmhouse Christmas that marries rustic charm with refined luxury. Think weathered wood meeting Belgian linen, vintage finds paired with architectural elements, and that effortless elegance restoration hardware is famous for. If you're ready to elevate your holiday decor this season, you're in exactly the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's create some magic together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the entire holiday experience. Embrace architectural symmetry by flanking your front door with matching potted evergreens in oversized zinc planters, very RH. Drape fresh garland across porch railings, keeping it natural with eucalyptus, cedar, and pine. Add subtle warm white string lights for that candlelit glow. Consider a statement piece like a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the facade, adorned with a simple wreath. The key is restraint and natural materials. This collected over time aesthetic speaks to farmhouse authenticity while maintaining that elevated, curated look that makes restoration hardware designs so timelessly beautiful. Your entryway establishes the narrative the moment guests cross the threshold. Install a reclaimed wood coat rack with aged brass hooks, functional yet sculptural. Position a weathered bench with linen cushions and cable knit throws for removing boots. Above, hang an oversized antiqued mirror with a simple garland crown. Place a galvanized metal tray for keys beside a ceramic Christmas village. Layer a jute rug beneath a vintage Persian runner for textural richness. Add a wooden crate filled with faux fur blankets. This layered approach, what designers call collected eclecticism, creates warmth while maintaining sophistication, perfectly balancing practicality with holiday spirit. The living room becomes your holiday hearth. Anchor the space with an oversized Belgian linen sectional in natural oatmeal tones. Style your coffee table with a reclaimed wood tray holding mercury glass votives and vintage books. Flank the fireplace with generous evergreen arrangements in zinc buckets. Hang a simple boxwood wreath above the mantel. Layer textures through chunky cable knit throws, sheepskin pillows, and velvet accents in muted sage and cream. This is what we call tonal layering, creating depth through texture rather than color. The result? That effortless luxury where guests immediately relax, surrounded by warmth that feels both festive and forever elegant. Your dining room deserves show-stopping attention this season. Center a salvaged wood farmhouse table with a linen table runner in natural flax. Create a tablescape using varying heights, tall tapered candles and brass holders, low arrangements of white roses and eucalyptus, scattered vintage brass candlesticks. Layer each place setting with white ironstone plates, linen napkins tied with leather cord and fresh rosemary sprigs. Add textured glassware and antique silverware. Overhead, your chandelier could wear a simple garland collar. This approach, what stylists call organic elegance, celebrates imperfection and natural beauty, creating an intimate atmosphere where conversations linger and memories form around your beautifully appointed table. Even your kitchen deserves festive attention. Open shelving displays white dishware interspersed with copper molds and vintage rolling pins tied with ribbon. Your cabinet hardware gets small evergreen sprigs tucked behind. Style countertops minimally. A dough bowl filled with ornaments, a vintage bread box, fresh greenery around your coffee machine. Your stainless steel refrigerator wears a simple magnetic wreath. Above the stove, hang copper pots with small bows. This restrained approach maintains functionality while adding seasonal charm. The philosophy here is edited abundance. Enough festivity to feel special without sacrificing the workspace you need. Your kitchen remains practical yet participates beautifully in your holiday narrative. Your family room balances everyday living with seasonal warmth. Arrange oversized slip-covered sofas facing your flat-screen TV, styled on a reclaimed wood media console. Flank the TV with galvanized buckets holding evergreen branches. Layer the seating with plaid wool blankets and velvet pillows in forest green and cream. Add a chunky knit poof as extra seating. Your coffee table holds a wooden tray with LED candles and a vintage wooden bowl filled with natural ornaments. Mount floating shelves displaying vintage books tied with twine. This is casual luxury, that perfectly imperfect space where real life happens beautifully, where family movie nights feel special throughout the season. Your home office maintains productivity while embracing the season. Position a simple wooden desk near natural light, styled with intention. Add a vintage desk lamp with brass details and a small ceramic Christmas tree. Your desk accessories include a leather catch-all for essentials, a small vintage radio for holiday music, and a unique petite desk clock with Roman numerals, very RH aesthetic. Hang a simple wreath on the window. File important documents in linen-covered boxes. Add a small vase with white tulips or paperwhites. This functional minimalism keeps your workspace professional while acknowledging the season, proving that productivity and festivity can absolutely coexist harmoniously in thoughtfully designed spaces. Every farmhouse needs a reading retreat. Create yours with an oversized wingback chair in natural linen position near a window. Add a chunky cable knit throw draped casually and sheepskin rug underneath. Style a small side table with stacked vintage books, reading glasses, and a brass candlestick. Hang a small wreath on the window frame. Add a basket filled with holiday reads and magazines. Install a simple reading lamp with warm Edison bulbs. This is what designers call a moment, a carefully curated vignette that serves a purpose beyond aesthetics. It's an invitation to slow down, to savor the season, to remember that luxury is sometimes simply quiet time. Your bedroom remains a peaceful sanctuary with gentle holiday touches. Dress your bed in Belgian linen duvet covers in natural white with layers of textured throws. Add velvet pillows in muted sage. Style your nightstands symmetrically, matching brass lamps, small evergreen arrangements in white ceramic vases, vintage books. Hang a simple evergreen garland across your headboard or window frame. Place a wooden bench at the foot of your bed with folded quilts. This serene styling approach maintains tranquility while acknowledging the season. The result is restorative, a space that celebrates Christmas quietly, where you begin and end each day surrounded by understated elegance. Transform your bathroom into a holiday spa retreat. Hang fresh eucalyptus from your shower head. The steam releases aromatherapy benefits. Style your vanity with a galvanized tray holding rolled white towels tied with ribbon, vintage apothecary bottles, and a small evergreen sprig. Add white candles in various heights. Place a wooden stool beside your tub holding folded Turkish towels and a woven basket with bath salts. Mount brass hooks for plush robes. This approach, utilitarian luxury, makes daily routines feel ceremonial. Even your towels become part of the design story when thoughtfully presented, proving that every corner of your farmhouse deserves considered attention. Your guest bedroom should feel like a boutique hotel experience. Dress the bed in crisp white linens with a chunky knit blanket folded at the foot. Style the nightstand with a brass lamp, small clock, carafe of water with glass, and fresh flowers. Provide a luggage rack with folded towels. Hang a wreath on the closet door. Add a welcome basket with toiletries, snacks, and a handwritten note. Include a small Christmas tree on the dresser. This is thoughtful hospitality, anticipating needs before they're expressed. Your guests feel valued and cared for, experiencing that farmhouse warmth combined with hotel-level attention to detail. Even smaller bathrooms deserve festive styling. Install a vintage wood-framed mirror above your wastafel. Add a galvanized tray with hand soap in an apothecary bottle and a small succulent. Hang a simple wreath. Place rolled towels in a wire basket. Add a small glass jar with cotton balls and seasonal potpourri. Mount brass hooks for hand towels in festive patterns. The shower curtain could be simple white linen. This micro-styling proves that size doesn't limit style. Every bathroom becomes part of your cohesive holiday narrative, maintaining your established aesthetic throughout your entire farmhouse, creating that collected, intentional feeling everywhere. Your garage can participate in your holiday aesthetic too. Install pegboard walls painted in muted sage for tool organization. Add galvanized metal storage bins labeled with vintage-style tags. Hang a simple wreath on the interior door. Create a potting station with reclaimed wood shelving holding terracotta pots, twine, and gardening tools. Add hooks for winter coats and boots. Install warm Edison bulb lighting. This form meets function approach extends your farmhouse aesthetic to utilitarian spaces. Why should beauty stop at the mudroom door? Every space in your home can reflect your design philosophy, creating cohesive storytelling throughout. Your covered patio becomes an extension of your holiday entertaining space. Arrange weather-resistant furniture with thick cushions and outdoor-appropriate throws. Hang outdoor string lights with vintage Edison bulbs overhead. Add a wooden console styled with galvanized planters holding evergreens and a large lantern with pillar candles. Include an outdoor rug defining the seating area. Mount a wreath on the exterior wall. Add a wooden tray on the coffee table with outdoor candles and a hurricane lantern. This indoor-outdoor flow extends your living space, providing fresh air gathering spots even in winter, wrapped in warmth and light. Set up outdoor dining that embraces winter's beauty. Position a wooden dining table with bench seating and mixed chairs. Layer the table with a burlap runner and brass candlesticks. Use enamelware dishes and tin cups for rustic charm. Add plaid blankets on chair backs. Overhead, hang a chandelier made from a vintage ladder with Edison bulbs. Create a centerpiece with evergreen branches, pine cones, and white pumpkins. Install an outdoor heater nearby. This winter al fresco styling lets you enjoy outdoor dining despite cooler temperatures, creating memorable moments under the stars, proving that celebration doesn't need to stay indoors. Lighting transforms your farmhouse after dark. Layer your lighting with vintage Edison bulbs in brass fixtures, LED candles on timers, string lights with warm white bulbs, and statement pieces like lanterns with pillar candles. Every room should have multiple light sources at varying heights, overhead, task, and ambient. This creates what designers call layered luminosity, depth and warmth through intentional lighting choices. Your home glows invitingly from outside, each window telling part of your story. Dimmers let you adjust intensity for different occasions. Strategic lighting makes your holiday farmhouse feel magical, warm, and welcoming throughout the season. Your textile choices create cohesion throughout your farmhouse. Stick with natural materials: Belgian linen, cable knit wool, washed cotton, sheepskin, velvet, and burlap. Your color palette remains neutral with organic accents: cream, oatmeal, natural flax, soft sage, warm gray. Layer textures extensively: smooth linen with chunky knits, soft sheepskin with woven jute, structured cotton with flowing drapes. This textural storytelling adds dimension without color chaos. Each room connects through consistent material choices while maintaining individual character. It's the invisible thread tying your entire holiday farmhouse together, creating that collected, curated feeling that defines RH's signature aesthetic. Complete your farmhouse experience through sensory details. Simmer cinnamon sticks, orange peels, and cloves on the stove. Place bowls of fresh pine cones throughout. Burn beeswax candles with natural honey scent. Hang eucalyptus in bathrooms. Use essential oil diffusers with cedarwood and pine. Fresh greenery throughout provides natural aromatherapy. This sensory layering engages all the senses, not just sight. Your farmhouse doesn't just look beautiful. It smells like Christmas, sounds peaceful with soft music, feels cozy through textured throws, even tastes festive with cookies displayed in vintage tins. It's a complete, immersive experience that guests remember long after leaving. You've journeyed through every space, discovering how RH-inspired Farmhouse Christmas style balances rustic authenticity with refined luxury. The secret? Natural materials, restrained color palettes, textural layering, architectural elements, and that collected over time aesthetic. Start with one room, incorporate these principles gradually, and remember, imperfection is part of the charm. Your farmhouse Christmas should feel personal, not catalog perfect. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment telling me which space you're most excited to style. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. Wishing you a beautiful, cozy, absolutely magical holiday season. Happy decorating, friends!